Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from Tech Dude. As you can see that currently my PC is switched on, but there is no display. Again, we have gotten motherboard issue. So as you can see, again this is an AMD PC, so there is no motherboard working for properly on this. So update, so that's the reason why I'm not posting the videos again. So my complete plan is to replace this AMD PC and get a new PC which works pretty good and fine without any performance issues or these glitches, because I'm just exhausted of these problems. So let us roll the intro.
Have you ever seen this? Have you ever felt this? It's a feeling so unheard.
Nothing much. Now we are going to use a hard disk and RAM power supply from our previous PC and assemble it in new PC. As you can see here, this PC is in a horrible condition. The glass of this PC panel got broken, so have used a yoga mat to fit this, and this is how it looks. So the main thing is that I want to use graphic card and storage and RAM power supplies from this PC. You can see these are the things we bought from CTC, and let's go. This is an i7 12th gen processor, and it comes with I guess 12 cores, and this is the MRP cost as you can see here. And here we got an MSI basic motherboard. The model number is Pro B760 ME DDR4, and a basic case. And in childhood I used to like RGB, but now I like simple minimal cases and stuff. And this is an liquid cooler I have opted for. So these are the things I have purchased from CTC. I saved around 2000 rupees buck, 1800 to 2000 rupees bucks by purchasing or shopping offline. I have purchased all this from various shops. So I want to fit all the old components in this new cabinet. So let's go. Except the motherboard and processor, everything in the old cabinet goes here. So let's go. Let's go for PC.
Best to give me that loyalty. Best to give me that loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
As you can see, we went to Sistronics shop in CTC. There we have considered or taken the quotation of the prices, but we didn't find a fair deal for all of the parts, but we got a processor for a better price. So, and we went to Vishal Peripherals at CTC. There we found rest of the components at cheaper price compared to online. And happy Dasra to all. And another tip from me is that if you are going to purchase any other product, or if you are willing to go to CTC market, first verify the prices of the same product from different store, and grab a deal where you get a better deal, so that you can save lot of money. I have saved around 2000 rupees, to be honest, compared to Amazon market. So that if I had if I save another 1500 rupees and add to this 2500, I can get extra RAM, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, which helps in PC performance and stuff. And this is a deal. And another thing is that lots of people are viewing my channel, but they are not subscribing it, so please do subscribe, it helps in our channel growth. And here is the stat. And another thing is that after editing this video, directly I will shoot the PC build video and I will edit it and I will publish back to back to each other, so that it can maintain certain type of consistency. And from now onwards you will get 4 to 5 videos in this weeks, 4 to 5 videos in 1 week. So because our PC issue got solved, so we can post back to back videos without any hesitation. So I'm going to do this PC and publish that video. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Before that, please do give your feedback in our comment section, so that we can get feedbacks and improve our channel quality, or take your ideas and implement it. And otherwise we will take your inputs and make the content the way you like. So signing off, your Tech.